Hi, my name is Bryce. I am a pool manager for the City of Sacramento Aquatics. We're here at the beautiful North Natomas Aquatics Complex, and I have 5 water safety tips for you today. Safety tip number 1, always listen to the lifeguards at all times. We are here for your safety. Walk, please. Safety tip number 2, whether you came with a child or an Olympic swimmer, never swim alone and always have a buddy. Safety tip number 3, always stay hydrated and wear your sunscreen. Safety tip number 4, always wear a Coast Guard approved life jacket when available. And when you do, make sure that it fits. Make sure that it's never above the ears. And finally, safety tip number 5, don't forget to ask for help from any lifeguard. We're here for your safety. Remember folks, water safety is no joke. Follow these simple tips and we'll keep the water safe and fun for everyone. Happy Water Safety Month.
2, 1. Okay, good stuff.